Need to change your name on Ome TV? Then here's a step-by-step process on how you can change it. So you need to start by heading over to the application Ome TV. Once you're in here, tap on Join as Guest, or you can log in with another account as well. Once done, enter the specific name for the Ome TV that you want to add. Once you have entered, you need to enter your age as well. Select the gender and tap on Create Profile. Once the profile has been created, now if you feel the need to change your name, then tap on Edit. But you can see that there is no any option or the feature in order to change your name. The name you have set will not be able to change. So what else you can do is, once again head over to Edit, scroll down and tap on Delete Profile. Click on OK. Once the profile has been deleted, once again you have to click on Join as Guest and then enter the new name that you want to change. Follow the on-screen process and then you'll be good to go. That's the wrap for this video. If it helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.